I find that the factories that were established in the 1980s that are still here and made it kind of through that really tough transition of most things moving overseas, those factories are really stuck in the past. They haven't moved to what I think the future is, which is micro brands, local brands, people wanting to buy things that have more purpose, more meaning, more of a story. So I don't think the factories have really caught on to that yet. And so if you guys are going to need to learn to navigate this kind of old school industry and how they expect it to work. And so that's a lot of what the Apparel Academy is about, is if you're going to approach a factory or a pattern maker or something, there's so much expectation of the knowledge that you're supposed to have before you even approach them. So we're going to try to make it really easy for you to approach all these different vendors and work for them. Okay, so this is an overview of the 4-step process. So this is a process that I've been developing for a long time, but really what the Apparel Academy is we are going to take every single one of these like little ticks in the timeline, and we're going to discuss like how that works. We're not going to teach you how to be a designer. We're not going to teach you how to be a pattern maker, that kind of thing. We're going to teach you how to be a brand owner and how to manage these different parts of the process and how to make sure you're ending up with a quality product through each parts of these process. Because that's how the industry works. They expect you to understand sort of the background of how all these things work. And if you do it right, then you'll end up with a good product.
I just wanted to share our new app with you. You can download this on your iPhone or an Android. Some of the things I wanted to show you, when you download the app, you get to this home page, which is lunch breaks. This is free content really designed for the apparel entrepreneur who is not from the industry, to give you some tips and tricks. So if you click into your lunch break, you're going to see in there's several video interviews of people from all over the industry to help you succeed and help you get some advice. If you click on the 3 bars down at the bottom of your screen, you're going to get to the menu. So I'm going to walk through these items in the menu. The first thing is Academy class. So these Academy classes are for purchase. We talk about the apparel development process, step 1, 2, 3, and 4, all the way to the end, and then we do talk about some selling. These are all for purchase in the app. If you click on the 3 bars again, the next thing is product launch plan. This is really the crowning jewel of the app. These are lessons that are broken out, lessons 1 all the way down to 22. And what we do is if you become a member and click join now in this product launch plan, you will walk through 1 lesson a week, and you will have me as your guide, and we will meet virtually every single week with you and a group of people, and we will walk through all of these lessons, and worksheets come with all of these lessons. So just for example, some of the things we'll go through is mission statement, target market. We teach you how to narrow down your styles and get them designed. We have 3 lessons on preparing to source your fabric, understanding fabric, and choosing your fabric. These are really in-depth lessons about how do you get your fabric vendors to take you seriously? How do you even know where to find fabric? Then we get into prototyping, finding your pattern maker, your sample maker, how to evaluate your patterns. Then how do you make your garment labels? We talk about how to communicate with your pattern maker, how to create tech packs, how to find a factory, vet your factory, and all the way into marketing and manufacturing and selling. So this is really the crowning jewel of the app. We have a few more features I want to walk through. Push those 3 bars again. We've got Q&A. So again, this part is free. So if you're a little unsure and you have some questions, this is a really great place to come ask us questions. You just push create a post, just like this person did. So then the 3 bars again. We have some resources. This is This is just different resources of places that you could go and get things done. We have events, and then another crown jewel of the app is the CEO coaching. If you become a member, you can use this feature to text us 24/7 about anything going on with you and getting your apparel line made or designed, and we will get back to you. So it's basically having that CEO coach on demand through the app, and that's another great part of the membership. So again, go to Q&A, ask us any questions, or go to that product launch plan and click join now, and then we'll get you set up and started with a group and going through all these lessons. All right, happy designing.